Hello, this is the demo of Decode Menu POS system. It works online, so all you have to do is to log in using your credentials. You can use any browser or device to log in into the system. After logging in, you will see a comprehensive dashboard in front of you. The very unique feature of Decode Menu POS system is in this system, not only your waiters can punch their orders, but your customers can also place their orders by scanning the QR code of the menu or by accessing the menu link remotely. They can punch dine-in, takeaway, and delivery orders without any commission. So it will speed up the ordering process and save a lot on menu printing cost and human labor. Your POS system has all the essential features. For example, inventory management, so you can manage your restaurant's inventory. Supplier management, so you can manage your suppliers. Purchase management, expense reports, wastage report, and sales reports. Let's check out the sales reports. As you can see, we have just placed a table order and a delivery order and as well as a takeaway order. You can export your sales report as an Excel or PDF file. Using this option, you can create managers and waiters for your restaurant. Every manager and waiter will have their own PIN. Waiters cannot cancel or change the order, always manager PIN will be required to make the change happen. You can also create and manage multiple branches by using this option. You can define your taxes and service fee by using this option. Whenever a tax or service fee will be added, it will be shown at the menu side to the customer. You can create various discount coupons for your restaurant to improve your sales. You can also update your menu instantly by going to View Menu Items. You can activate or deactivate existing items. You can add new items or edit existing items. Let's edit this item. Here you can instantly change the prices for your menu items. You can offer discounts. You can select various sizes. You can also define start and end time for a particular menu item if it's served in particular timings. You can mention menu items as bestseller. At the menu side, bestsellers will be always shown at the top. As you can see, lamb chops is stated as bestseller. You can manage different categories for your menu items by accessing this option. You can also check real-time analytics about your restaurant performance, about dine-in, takeaway, and delivery orders. You can also check how many customers have scanned the QR code of your menu or have accessed your menu link from your social media platforms. How many customers have provided their feedback. Feedbacks can be seen by clicking on this button. You can also define the delivery radius by going to View Outlets. Here you can define the delivery radius for your delivery. If customer is too far away from the location, he will not be able to place the order. You can also change your menu theme by clicking on this button. The menu itself has a lot of features. Your customers can navigate between veg and non-veg menu by clicking on this button. You can also do cross-selling. For example, if you want to cross-sell some of your menu items with chicken fajitas, once your customer will add item into the cart, optional add-ons will be shown to the customer, which may increase the value of your each order. If some of the menu items are served in particular sizes, the sizes will be shown to the customer. Your customers can navigate between different categories by clicking on this menu button. Your customers can even access your contact details by clicking on this button. They can call your restaurant, send an email, or go to your directions by clicking on this button. They can right away submit their feedback by clicking on this button. By clicking on this button, you will be logged in into the POS system. So let's go ahead and place an order as a waiter. Your waiters can easily navigate between the categories, add the menu items which needs to be ordered, click on the order button, select the order type. So for now we are going to place an order for table number 17 and place the order. While placing the order, waiters have to enter their PIN code. As you can see, the waiter has placed order for table number 17 successfully. Red color means it's a new table order. Let's process this order. You can take kitchen bill by clicking on this button. The table color will change into yellow for the processed orders. Once the customer asks for the bill, waiters can simply close this order and take the bill. Now let's receive payment and print the bill. So this is how waiters can punch and manage the orders. You can also punch takeaway and delivery orders. As I mentioned earlier, the unique feature of Decode POS system is your customers can also place their orders by scanning the QR code of the menu or by accessing menu link remotely. So let's place an order as a customer. Let's go to the dashboard and go to QR codes. You can generate QR codes for each of your tables using this screen. For example, there is a customer on table number 4 and he is placing the order by scanning the QR code from table number 4. So once the QR code will be scanned, as you can see, a very good looking menu is popped up on customer's smartphone with perfect pictures of menu items. Showing a menu like this may increase the value of your each sale. Customer can add items into the cart, go to view cart. Customer can see total bill prior making the order. Clicking on this button will confirm the order. Let's move back to the POS system and see how the order is being received. Let's confirm this order. As you can see, a new order has been received from table number 4. By clicking on table number 4, you can see the complete order details. This time you can see this order is placed by a customer. Let's just process this order. Customer will be notified instantly his order is being processed. Rest of the process remains the same. Let's close this order. Black color means the order has been closed but it is not billed yet. Once the order is closed, customer can submit their feedback. You can find the feedback in the main dashboard, as well as you can retarget the customers for your marketing campaigns by provided contact details. Your customers can even call the waiter by pressing this button. As you can see, there is a new call waiter request from table number 4. Once the cash is received, the table number 4 color will again turn back into gray. Now let's see how the takeaway ordering works. Let's go back to the dashboard. Go to QR codes again. Here you can see there is a QR code for takeaway and delivery. Your customers can scan this QR code from outside of your restaurant, or they can access your menu link from your social media platforms and place takeaway and delivery orders instantly without any commission. Let's copy this link and place a takeaway order. Let's add items into the cart and go to view cart. This time you can see there is an option for takeaway and delivery orders. Let's select takeaway and confirm order. Customer will enter his details. Let's go back to the PS system to see how the order is being received. Let's confirm the order. As you can see, there is a notification for new takeaway order. Let's open takeaway. Let's click on the order and mark its status as preparing. The customer is instantly notified their order is being prepared. Once the order is ready, let's mark it as cooked. And the customer is notified their order is being cooked. You can take bill from here, go back and close their order. Again, your customer can submit the feedback. Now let's place a delivery order. We will access the same menu link again. Your customers can add their address. This is integrated with Google Maps. Your customers can exactly pinpoint their location, enter the address, and save the address. Let's choose the latest address and place the order. As you can see, a new delivery order has been received. Same process will be repeated. Restaurant will mark it as preparing. Customer is well notified their order is being prepared. Your restaurant will also have a driver application to locate the customer location and deliver the order. Once the order is cooked, restaurant will mark its status as cooked. And customer is also notified. Your drivers will pick up the order and status will be changed into picked up, and upon delivery they will close the order. This is the only POS system in which not only your waiters can punch their orders, but your customers can also place the dine-in orders by scanning the QR code of the menu for each of their tables and place their takeaway and delivery order simultaneously without any commission. There are lots of other amazing features which can be covered during the training sessions. Signing up to Decode POS system is pretty easy. Just go to decodemenu.com and the pricing page. This is gonna be lifetime subscription. There will be no monthly or annually fee, so your restaurant will be owning the product. For POS, there are three plans: Starter, Basic, and Pro. In the Starter plan, you will be having the complete POS system. You will be having Cloud POS system, admin dashboard, inventory, stock, supplier management, sales reports, analytics, and all that. Unlimited ordering without any commission, 24 by 7 online support. Starter plan will not have a digital menu like this. For the basic plan, you will be having all the features of starter plan. Plus, your customers will be able to scan the QR code from their tables and place their orders, as well as you will be having a menu link for your social media platforms. Your customers will be able to place the dine-in and takeaway orders without any commission. The Pro plan has all the features of starter and basic plan, and it's a complete package for table, takeaway, and delivery orders. You will be also getting a driver application to deliver the delivery orders. You will be also getting a waiter application so your waiters can receive the orders using their tablets or smartphones from the tables. Pro plan has the complete features of the system. So this was the demo of Decode PS system. It is an amazing system which will speed up the ordering process, save a lot on the printing cost and human labor, and it can add more value into your business. Thank you for watching the video. Bye for now.